I got that one.
That was everywhere.
That was massive. And I got it just in time.
Everywhere.
I got it just in time.
Oh, good job. I mean, it came across there, it went across there. I mean, I couldn't tell you if it was split.
Not really.
Let's change the direction.
It's just swirling.
Well, I know. Yeah, I mean, these things.
Oh!
That was bright.
That was bright. I got it though.
These things are swirling like this.
I didn't saw it.
See it.
Saw it.
I didn't see it.
Well, see it or saw it. Not saw. There's no L in it.
Come on, say saw. Saw.
I can't say that word.
Because you're not. Only babies can't say it. If you're a big boy, you can say saw. You can say all these other words. You can say it. If you're lazy, you don't try. You say saw.
Jeez.
You say saw.
Whoa.
Like you're a little baby.
This wind is massively strong.
Oh, that was cool. You get that one?
Oh yeah.
I didn't try. Wait. You hide it?
Thunderstorm. Lightning storm.
There we go.
It was way over there. You got it?
Taking a breath.
And let me.
How cool would it be if you launched a firecracker in this thing?
What are you doing? It was way over there.
Wouldn't that be cool?
This is so cool.
You know, I have one of those massively long ones shooting up. Maybe it'll get hit. How odd, and then it'll automatically just shoot it up. It's over here now. Also. Oh! Did you? Yeah!
Ridiculous.
Woo!
I was looking up. It's like
I know.
it's right almost on top of it. So.
That is intense.
Huge one. That was huge.
That's a couple miles away.
Couple miles away.
So I said, oh, here comes the rain. Here comes the rain.
You want to be protected.
Yeah.
You're holding an electronic device that will attract electricity. Just so you know.
Yeah.
Good one.
It's alright.
No, it's okay. You don't have to get them all. It wasn't as good as that other one.
That one was massive. I got part of it though, because I just looked up. Oh!
Yeah. Come over here.
It's amazing. Did you feel that force of that wind? How strong that thing is? Think how much force the wind's gotta be up there. Think how much it's gotta be. How would you like to fly in this thing?
That's why they avoid them. They won't fly through unless they have to. But they can do it. I mean, planes are able to take lightning strikes.
Really?
Oh, yeah, they teach them that. When they build them so that they can do it. You know, different types of protection against lightning strikes. See, lightning just seeks the ground. If it doesn't have a ground, it's just like hitting anything else. It's when it goes through and hits the ground, then you die. But
Oh.
that's why electricians wear these big, thick boots, so their body's grounded from what's around. You know, it can't go through them to ground. Yeah, Simba's inside.
No. Jump.
Going out?
Oh! You see that one?
No, I just saw the flick.
That forked 6 times. This way and this way. But still, man. See, it just changed direction again.
And that's when we're back. See, that's why planes get in trouble, because you get this kind of wind.
she?
At least the lightning's way, it's to this side, so at least it's over there, so it's further away from it, but still.
Still, it's pretty scary. Yeah.
I want to dump it.
Yeah, that'd be sick. Just all of a sudden, just downpour.
That's what it does.
That's mounted our flash flood, isn't it?
Monsoon, they call it flash flood.
That was like 2 miles away. The last one. Ooh. Oh, I got that one.
I missed it. It's very bright though.
It's purple. Yeah, there is. Yeah, there is. Robbie.